Is calculating return on equity about just your personal investment, or does it involve the total equity stake? Let's find out. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. Should ROE be calculated using just the investment or the total amount? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So, in summary, someone inherited a house worth $830,000 with their brother, and now they want to buy out his half for $393,000, considering closing costs. They're trying to figure out whether their return on equity should be calculated from the $393,000 they paid or the entire market value of the house. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's explained that return on equity, usually for companies, can apply to individuals in certain cases. Without debt, RO matches return on investment, calculated here at 3.2%. Purchasing an asset below market value can boost the ROE for that investment. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Here's another answer that was shared in the Stack Exchange thread. Like before, I'm going to scroll through it quickly, so feel free to pause the video if you want to read it yourself. Otherwise, I'll highlight the main points of this answer in just a few seconds. One response points out that the property's return on equity is 3.1% without debt. It suggests considering if rental income is low for a $830K house, and warns that co-owning needs agreement on decisions like selling or buying out a partner. Alright, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. To get a broader perspective on return on equity, calculate it using the full market value of the inherited house at $830,000, which results in a 3.1% ROE with a $26,000 net income. For a personal investment angle, consider the $393,000 used to buy out the brother, yielding a 6.6% ROE. Don't forget to include all rental expenses for a clearer picture of returns. So in this video, we've covered how to calculate return on equity using different approaches. By using the total market value, you get a 3.1% return, while the buyout cost gives you a 6.6% return. Including all rental expenses can make this even more accurate. Larger properties might show lower ROE, but often come with reduced risk and unique opportunities. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.